Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So I just wanted to do just a quick video, not really showing anything too crazy here important, but this is a Jeep Grand Cherokee and the consumers had a tow package installed by another facility. And so I'm not sure if we found it or if they found it, but here a while back there was somehow, somebody found it, but basically all the undercarriage, the tow brackets and stuff were not installed correctly. So whether they ended up, I'm not sure if it was like they didn't use the right hardware, they didn't use the right spacers or bushings or what, but anyways, it's just an example. So make sure, even if you've had a tow package installed, it's a good idea, I would say probably after like 5 years of towing, or if you tow it quite regularly, to go back in and recheck everything to make sure that nothing's came loose. Depending upon the shops, a lot of times we will go ahead and use Loctite on a lot of stuff. And so on this particular incident, we're actually having to replace a lot of the hardware because it is already worn out and missing pieces. And then there was a couple other things that the guys are having to address, just things that weren't connected correctly. I mean, they still were functioning, but just in not really the best locations. There was some concern about where they put the braking system that was down there collecting too much dust and dirt on it, which they've cleaned that out. So stay tuned for more. And if you've had a tow package installed, again, as a reminder, make sure that you're doing an inspection to the car. We would recommend that at least every 5 years. Also, we do the tow bars. So if you need to have the tow bar maintenance or inspected for wear or tear, sometimes we'll go ahead and find that there's little bulletins or recalls on them as well. And so as we come across those, we'll address those and start putting out videos on them so that you'll be aware of it. But make sure if you have, a tow bar, that you check with the different various companies. Like we do a lot of the Roadmaster Nighthawks, we do a lot of the Dimcos, we do a lot of the Blue Ox. So you can always check with them too. There's a model and serial number on those. But again, this is just to give you an example that, most of the time the consumers don't know that we're taking off the whole front end. We're taking off a lot of the shields, taking a lot of the stuff loose in order to get into where we need to get to do those installs. So, all right, thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Hopefully this information helps you, serves as a reminder.